You doing, man?
We had this taped off because these holes. Which one is it? These two was this hole went all the way
I don't care
through.
about your holes. What's the other side look like?
So we wanted to plug them up with some JB Weld,
Some goop.
and it's cured.
It appears that it ran a little bit.
It ran right there, and then we had it down here too because this hole went all the way through, which was this one. Because then that would just be a freaking oil leak.
So you can go in there and grind that back now a little bit?
This?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'll go ahead and grind that back. But we also had a hole that we put right here.
There used to be a hole there?
Well, yeah, it's this new one that...
It's all full of JB Weld now, an inch deep?
Well, there was a tape. It was tape, so you can see the tape right there.
So you get some more grinding to do.
So we just need to cut that back, and then we'll be good to go.
What about that hole right there?
No, that's the hole we want. We want that hole.
That's the hole we want?
Yeah, we want that hole.
And we want this hole here opened up too.
Yeah, we got to take this shit off. I
So
mean,
you go back and work on that.
yeah.
Cool.
Sweet.
So once you're working on that, and it appears you have some overflow way over here. How'd that happen?
I don't know. So the person that was installing the JB Weld just got overzealous, you know what I mean?
No, I don't think so, because that's on completely the other side of the vehicle. So you gotta take that off too. And look at that turd right there. What a crappy job. Alright, grind that back a little bit, clean that up. So hurry up, get to work.
And then we go over here.
We got real work to do now. Which side do you want in first? The crappy side or the good side?
Let's crappy side in
Crappy
first.
side's first?
Yeah. So the good one holds it in.
I'm trying to figure which one's which. I'll put it in this side. Okay, there's a tool. Does it look special?
It does.
No Jim's part number on that. I don't know how to make stuff like that. Ooh, look at that.
Easy peasy.
It's getting harder. This is a 20 on the case would have broke already.
Them Sportsters, real motors. Real motors for real men.
It appears to hit a snap ring there.
Good. Perfect.
Good, perfect. There you go.
Man, those smell delicious.
Can't do a lunch break right now, we're working. Okay, no lunch break, we're working. Get out of my way. Bearings, 2 bearings. Where's your spacer at?
Which? Well, I'll go get them.
You want to smush it? Okay. No snap ring yet? Washer. Ooh, appears to be the right one. No snap ring?
Snap ring. I'll go get one.
Don't know about it. Probably don't have it.
High octane water.
Did you find your snap ring?
Yep, we did.
Where was it at?
Right in here.
Is it in my drawer?
Yep.
Looks like that number there.
Yep.
Good. Good thing you had it where we could find it.
Yeah. Easy.
Where's it go?
Is this it? Goes over that.
Goes right there? Yeah, you're smart.
Getting there.
Getting there. Where'd these go? Did you clean this?
Yep.
It's dirty.
It's clean.
Clean?
It's old dirty.
Old dirty? What about these?
Those are clean.
Those are clean. No, I don't think he was excused at all. We're going to go charge more money for the audience because they make too much noise.
That's probably legal.
Just gassing up the place, man. High octane.
I've seen this probably legal.
Jeez, I'm trying to work around here. Fucking morons. There's already been comments about you guys.
Yeah, I need to go read them. I don't know, man. I like reading them. You got that lightning fast wit. You're firing back.
So all the haters have problems?
Yep.
Too bad. What am I doing? So you do that?
Yep.
Enough bearings?
I don't know. You picked them all out, so hope so.
I don't know. It appears I'm missing one. Where's the one you're missing?
I don't know. You had them, man. That's why we had the baggie.
You told me how many there were there. So I trusted you for the count.
What?
You shut the camera off again?
Making sure we don't have those long, drawn-out videos.
So instead of being 30-minute videos, they're going to be 2-second videos.
Yep.
Now you have all these 1-minute long videos. Now you got the complaints the videos are too short. They already don't like my numbering system. Alright. Pretty scientific how you do this. So you pick it up and you lay it in here without dropping them.
Boom.
And voila. One thrust washer, one snap ring. If you can afford it, you have a screwdriver, but I can't afford it because there's no screwdriver here in front of me. Can't afford them.
Screwdriver.
Oh, I'm using my thumbnails. These grow back. It's easier with a screwdriver. Is it all in there?
I know. You tell me, Mr. Expert.
We got in play too. See, that's a good sign. Now the bearings don't fall out.
Nice.
Okay. Now we already checked it for that before, didn't we?
Yep.
When?
Like 2 videos ago.
2 videos ago? Okay, it fit on. We'll just double check just to make sure.
Mm-hmm. What?
In my way. These are 2 we're using?
Yep.
Did you clean them yet?
Yep.
They're all rusty.
Because we live in San Diego and there's moisture in the air, and the moisture has salt in the air.
It's like grinding in back.
That's old boy fixing up his ace, his mega awesome, whatever it is, JB Weld job.
JB welding job, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Good.
Cool special tool there.
Well, SNES doesn't have a tool for Sportsters.
Terrible.
Yeah, they might. I never tried. I didn't look in that kit to see what was in there. We have this one though. It works.
It's pretty fancy there.
It's Jim's been modified, see.
Jim's. Old Jimmy Booth.
Actually, this one's not Jim's. We can't pick on Jim's for this one. This is an import copy of something. Made wrong though. I had linked it. See.
Ah.
Jim was okay this time. Make him feel better. So much for that paid advertising spot.
Yeah, I know. Free advertising. Jim's, what's up? And then we put the spacer in there.
And this one
That
here?
guy.
This one here you said works?
Mm-hmm.
Which motor was that out of?
Mine.
Which one?
The good one before it exploded.
So this is a match set, you're thinking?
Pardon?
This is going to be a match set?
Yep. Lubing that up all nice and good.
Alright. This one's going to fit too, you said, right?
Yep. Whoop! he's going bananas over there on the grinder. Why is it taking him so long to do that? It's not even metal, it's epoxy.
He's plugging up the bit.
He is.
Are you picking on him?
Yeah. Cause I hit mine like doing that, like zap zap.
I saw
zap.
you ground the case and everything. I saw that job. Okay, why is this thing all locked up here? There you go.
Alright, he's done. Look at that, it spins and everything.
No clearance though.
No clearance?
Zero.
Is that super bad?
Let's hit again. You're hitting again. Not good.
Not good?
Oh, is it good to the motor start? It locks up. Starting to build up clearance now. So do we hit? See right there?
Yeah.
Appears we have some interference issues with something.
Yes.
So what'd you hit on?
Feels like it's, well, it's right up in here.
I know what it feels like, but there's nothing under there. Ah, shit, you dumbass. Around you too much. Rubbing off on me. Much crap in my way. Sounds good.
No, it doesn't.
Besides that grinding.
Oh, you don't like that?
Oh, is that custom?
Well, we got clearance in there now, though. You don't like that?
No.
Why?
Because that means whatever is getting grounded off is going to get into my engine.
It is in your engine already.
I know. We need to clean that out.
Oh, we got to clean the case again?
No, we'll just air it out.
It's a little bit tight, too, on the crank. Especially if you're going to run the piss out of it like you want to. Okay, unscrew that. Oh, stop. My hands are in the ring. Alright.
Back into the tool.
Yep. I'm going to keep my fingers. He was just going to run them right to the whole fucking case because he didn't care.
Rude.
American muscle. Brother. Actually,
Where's the holes? Dark in there, I can't see a damn thing. There's one. Somebody tighten that. All right. So you don't like that, huh?
No.
I think it's fine now.
Really?
Sure.
For your motor. That's
Brrr.
for your motor, yeah, it's fine. For mine, I see. Yeah.
We haven't done yours yet, so we don't know what yours is going to be.
Mine's gonna be perfect.
But Fred's was good. We did.
What? Francis? What?
Yeah, Fred's is done.
You guys go home early. We work.
We couldn't do anything because we were waiting for
Fred.
these things to... Stupid JB Weld.
Oh, you had all the repairs you were working on. That's right. That's what it
And I fixed it.
was. We heard you like to fix it.
Yeah, for like half an hour.
Well, now it's all smooth and whatnot.
Is it cleaned yet?
Well, I want to give you a clean before I clean it.
All right. So what'd you do wrong?
No idea.
I bet you your flywheels are hitting. You had all those hammer marks on your wheels, and I bet you they're hitting. I don't see anything on the outside here, but obviously it's hitting on something.
Looks like there's 2 marks right down here where it could have been hitting. They look fairly new. See, these 2 right there.
They were there before.
They were?
Yep.
Oh.
They were there before. See big hammer marks? I bet you those are probably the problem. But I don't see any aluminum deposits. No aluminum deposits on the floor where it was hitting. On the OD here. There's a mark right here.
Yeah.
Corresponds to that mark that's over here.
So maybe if we grind this piece down right here?
Yeah, but I don't know why that's even a mark.
This one right here.
I don't see anything obviously sticking out like a big burr. You know, see like these hammer marks over here. They're not really sticking up real high.
Mm-mm.
These marks are beat and sticking out, which could be just right in this here. These were already in here though, but so those look like they were machine marks, not rub marks. All right, so we go ahead and file these edges down a little bit. Try to keep the bearing clean. Then we'll put a rag around that. And we'll throw it back together and see what kind of mark we get again.
So I think I did it right. We filled up those 2 holes. This hole is that he drilled in for the oil pump, for the oil release. Pressure gauge is now there, it's visible. And I just kind of cleaned it up. The titty was right there, it's all gone now. And this one right here, where they decided to drill all the way through, is now cleaned up and ready to run.
Nice.
Sick. All right.